How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. In this video, I will show you how can you easily backup and restore your WhatsApp messages. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to settings of your WhatsApp and click on chat. Below you will see the option of backup. Click on it and now you have to choose Google account in which WhatsApp chat should be restored. Once you choose your desirable email, you are supposed to confirm whether your email will be used for restoring the WhatsApp messages or not. When you scroll below, you need to click on Allow. Once you allow, this account will be confirmed by WhatsApp for your restoring. Now you need to choose the frequency of how often your message should be recovered. After that, if you want to recover videos and also if you want the backup to continue even when you are not connected to any Wi-Fi, click on backup using cellular. And that's all. That is how easily you can backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android phone device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.